نسبة مئوية باحتساب العلامات الناجحة.
شو بصيروا بجيش تتحكم بالجوري لازم يكونوا 50% for the host country 50% للبلدان.
اوكي.
يعني في معلومة باللبنان half of the jury they have to be Lebanese. The other another nationality. This is the rule of this competition.
أنت ماشي على rules by the
You cannot
you're going by the
I cannot put all the jury Lebanese.
okay.
So half Lebanese, half not Lebanese. And all depends about the charisma of the girl on stage, very important. How she walks, how she stands, how she will feel. And there is some secret, I don't know what.
And the charisma is the number one.
So the jury will be staying like this, and we put number, and this number will be calculated like system, and it will be the highest number will be.
A warm welcome to you again, Mr. Joanna Jalaon. You are an inspiring businesswoman and you are the owner of LV Spa Bar. Of course, you are the head of the jury of Miss Europe 2026. Would you like to say a word regarding this coming event? بالعربي والفرنسي تفضلي.
بدي أقول إنه أول شيء نسينا بالسعودية إنه عم يعطينا هذا المجال إنه نحن نكون عم نعمل قصص ايفنتس عالميه بقلب لبنان تنوصل لبنان لكل البلدان العربيه ونحن نقدر نوصل اشغالنا واسامينا لكل المطارح. Ladies, you are very welcome in Lebanon. I hope you will enjoy your stay here and good luck.
Thank you, Ms. Joanna.